Hi queens, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a quick little beat, well not quick, but kind of my everyday makeup routine. You guys have asked about it in a few of the vlogs, so I'm bringing it to you today. But this is a super simple everyday makeup. This video is in partnership with Bobbi Brown. I've talked about Bobbi Brown before in a few vlogs back. And I recently became a Bobbi Brown ambassador. When I talked about it in that vlog, I wasn't an ambassador. I just genuinely love the products. So now that I am, I want to share my makeup routine using all of their goodies. And I'm focusing mainly on like really good skin prep. I am hydrated, moisturized, and my skin is in a good place so that the makeup can lay smoothly and just, you know, be its best self. So that is the priority, kind of like the base, getting a flawless base, a flawless finish, and bright under eyes. So the main products I'm gonna be talking about are the vitamin enriched face base and eye base. So the face base is what I talked about a few vlogs back. It's just amazing, that's all I can say. And they recently came out with the eye base, which is equally amazing, and I'll tell you why all throughout the video. Without any more rambling, let's get into the video. I'll show you this look. Of course, this is the finished product, but I'll show you how we got here. I'll leave everything linked below and my shades. I think that's everything. Let's jump
Okay,
into
so let's jump right in. I'm gonna start with on our hero products of the day, which are the Bobbi Brown face base and eye base. So I'm gonna start with the eye base. Again, this creates a really smooth, flawless canvas. Helps your concealer blend in really well, and just make sure you don't get any of that like cracking or dryness underneath your eye, which is super important, especially as you get up there in age. And then we're gonna go with the face base. Again, it sinks into the skin really quickly, but still leaves your skin feeling super hydrated, super moisturized, and a great canvas to apply your makeup on top. Next up is the Skin Longwear Weightless Foundation. My favorite thing about this is that it covers, but it also corrects at the same time. So you can see there's kind of like a warm undertone in this foundation, but as I blend it out, it's going to kind of like warm up my skin and bring out my undertone so that it doesn't feel so flat or like too neutral, which is something I've struggled with in the past. The shade I'm wearing is Walnut, and as you can see, the redness that kind of like showed up initially just blends out perfectly and just sinks into my skin so nicely, and the color match is phenomenal. It's long wear foundation. It lasts all day. It hydrates, but it doesn't get oily. Really, really great formula. All right, next up is the Instant Full Cover Concealer. I'm wearing Chestnut, and I always put my concealer kind of at the highest points of my face and wherever I want to kind of brighten and put a spotlight in. So that's what you see me doing, mainly in my inner tear duct and under my eyes. And then I do have a little darkness around my mouth, so I usually will conceal there as well. And then I'm just blending it out, and it's just so creamy. Again, I really love this formula of the foundation and the concealer. They're super soft, super creamy. They have a slight matte finish, but your skin doesn't look too dull or too dry, so I really like that. I had to get close up to make sure I was getting that blend perfect. Now I'm going in with the bronzer in Deep, and I also use this to bronze my face. I didn't contour at all around my face, the perimeter of my face, but I did use it to contour my nose. But this is the Bobbi Brown bronzer in Deep. I love the color because it warms up my face as opposed to making it look too stark, which is kind of what contour would do sometimes. So I think we talked about this in a previous vlog, that I was really enjoying using the bronzer instead of a contour. And then I'm using the highlighter from Bobbi Brown, and this is a really kind of iridescent pink shade. It's in Glow, and again, I just put that at the high points under my eyebrows, usually in my inner tear duct. I like a little bit on my nose, I'm just extra like that, and then at the high points of my cheekbones.
All right, here is the finished look. I mean, it's flawless, right? I went too long horn, but easy. So this is kind of my current makeup routine for like flawless base, really smooth under eyes, just super bright, awake eyes. I kept everything else, as you can see, like super minimal. I did add an inner corner highlight And I use this Bobbi Brown Longwear Cream Shadow Stick. I love it. It's so easy. Literally all I do is this. And it's so easy. Quick and pretty. Just gives you a little pop. Of course, I added a lash because everyday makeup includes a lash for me. But yeah, this is pretty much the finished product. Using the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base kind of as my primer, but it's also a moisturizer. And then for the under eye, this creates the smoothest, listen, I'm telling you, most flawless under eye. It moisturizes, hydrates, but it just creates like a very smooth surface. Yes, that's the word. So the Vitamin Enriched Eye Base. So use both of those, and then and everything else will be linked below. Of course, all Bobbi Brown products were used, but this is our final look. This is how we get bright eyes, flawless face. Let's get ready for fall and winter. Of course, if you stuck around this long, make sure you subscribe with the bell notification so you never miss a video. Follow me on Instagram. Again, all the products will be linked below. Make sure you check out Bobbi Brown, especially, listen, I wish, I talked about this in a vlog a while back, that I always heard amazing things about the face base. And the eye base is new, but I wish I would have tried it sooner. So if you don't do anything, you take nothing away from this video. Try the face base, try the eye base, and the corrector. What else? Do all the things. Follow me on TikTok, Instagram, daily outfit inspiration. Watch, I'll leave some more videos below. I'll leave, at the end of this, I'll leave other makeup videos so you can kind of see the difference. What else? Oh, read my blog, Highlowluxxe.com. I think that's everything. Thanks for stopping by. See ya.